Hello friends, today I'll be reviewing about the D-Link Wireless N150 ADSL2 Plus router. Let's check the package contents. The package includes a wireless N150 ADSL2 Plus router, easy install CD and manual, quick installation guide, non-removable antenna, Ethernet cable, phone cable, power adapter and a splitter. So here they have mentioned minimum system requirements to use the router. It requires a computer with ADSL internet service. It may be a BSNL or MTNL, and Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X or Linux based operating system. It requires a browser. It may be a Microsoft Internet Explorer version 6 or Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. And the devices supporting 802.3 Ethernet, 802.3U Fast Ethernet, 802.11N, 802.11G or 802.11B, and it's also required Cat5 Ethernet cables, RJ45 port for each device or 802.11B GN wireless adapter, and it requires a CD drive. The model name of this router is DSL-2730U, and here some of the features it has: 802.11 BGN wireless and Ethernet connectivity, and it has the Wi-Fi security standards WPS, WPA2 and AES advanced encryption standard. It also has advanced parental controls for domain blocking and keyword filtering, DDNS, dynamic DNS, network address translation, stateful packet inspection, IGMP snooping, traffic prioritization and classification, PVC or VLAN port mapping, IPv6 features, syslog monitoring, and ANX ALM. The installation is very simple. It has only 3 easy steps. Unpack the contents, insert the CD into the CD drive for computer, and run the wizard. So let's open the package now. It has a installation CD, a brochure, safety information, a quick installation guide, a wireless N150 ADSL2 Plus router, power cable, an Ethernet cable RJ45, and a phone cable RJ11, and a splitter. And here is the router. It has a power indicator, LAN indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, DSL indicator. On the back side, it has a non-removable antenna which is of range 5 dBi and a DSL port, 4 Ethernet, fast Ethernet LAN ports, on-off button, WPS button, Wi-Fi on or off button, and power input. On the downside, it has a reset button here, and here they have mentioned the IP address of it, 192.168.1.1, and the default username and password. It is admin and admin. I have turned on the router and I have connected it to my laptop using a Ethernet cable. By the time when I connect it to it, it will prompt me a sign-in page where I need to type the username and password. The default username and password is admin. After the sign-in, it will be redirected to configuration page where we can use this setup wizard to configure the internet connection. And in the advanced settings, we have configurations such as access control list, port triggering, port forwarding, TM set, parent control, filtering options, device settings, DNS, dynamic DNS, network tools, routing, and NAT. We can do the configuration as required. In the maintenance, we can reset the router to default. We can save the configuration and save and reboot, and here we can configure the backup settings, and here we can save the backup locally. In the status window, we can see all the system information like alias name, firmware version, uptime, date and time, build time, serial number, and DSL information, operation status, upstream speed, downstream speed, LAN configuration such as IP address, subnet mask, TCP server, MAC address, and wireless information status, MAC address, network name that is SSID, and encryption, and DNS status. DNS mode is auto, DNS servers, IPv16s mode, IPv16s servers, and WAN configuration interface, VPI, VCI, and WAN IPv6 configuration. We can change all these settings in these configurations windows. Wireless clients, DCP clients, ADSL drivers, statistics, router info. If we need any further help, we can directly click on this help. Here we can get the help if we get any issues with this router. The MRP of this router is 1990 rupees, but if you are purchasing it from Amazon or Flipkart, you'll get it for 1299 rupees. You can use this router with the ISPs such as BSNL, MTNL, Airtel, Tata, and Reliance broadbands. It has the warranty of 3 years. If you are having any issues with the router, you can claim the warranty. Here is the helpline email address and support number.